Okay, very good afternoon here on the 12th of October 2018. Rishi Patel weekly market update and looking at the world markets here across the board, as well as our performance this year and this week for the Master of the Markets live trading room. So, well, we'll see just here that we're starting off on a good note on the live trading room. They've managed to catch this turning point in the market just here and hitting our target as well, banking us out just under £900 at this time on this Euro US dollar trade. If you take a look at the actual trade that we took, and you know, it's really in line with the other trades that we've taken this year so far, where the genius is pure. I mean, look at this. We've basically taken the trade long. I'll draw it out on the chart here for you so you can see it exactly. We've taken it long here on the high of this particular bar, and we've basically clipped the top of the market here. We've taken exactly 89 pips, and the point at which we took our profit, you can see at the bottom here, was 11602. 11602 is where we have indeed taken our profit here on this market. So 11602 is this price level just here. And again, you know, what you should observe is the fact that the maths that's gone into calculating where this target should be, again, are exact. I call it the 0% doubt, 100% conviction model of knowing exactly where to get out of the market. And look at what's happened to this Euro-dollar trade, where it is actually just clipped the target by just 9 pips. In fact, it's not even 9 pips. In fact, it's clipped the target by 7 pips and then completely turned around. And we've taken our profit off the table there, taking just under £900 on that trade. And so that was the trade for this week for the live trading room. So if you look, of course, everything is managed in a tidy trade journal, which we're going to be talking about today. The importance of keeping a journal. And you can see here on the journal, you can see the actual fill of 1.1513. Our stop was 114.29, and the exit price, of course, 1.1602 just there. So we are out of the market for 1.06% profit, 89 pips of upside just there. You may ask why we chose to take profit at that exact level on that euro dollar. Again, we'll be teaching more of this at Traders Basecamp. It is an exactly mathematically calculated level at which we want to take our profit off the table. It's also one of the trades we did talk about in the live trading evening this week, where we did show the participants of live trading evening, where we traded the market live, the exact trade we were taking there on the euro dollar. We wanted to catch this turning point in the market. We entered on this bar. We wanted to catch the turning point even before it's happened. So imagine we took the trade long actually at this point here, where we couldn't see any of this forward data. We only had this bar, this information just here, and we took that long, looking for that to have become a turning point in the market. We were looking for this bar to become a turning point. We didn't know it would be, but of course you can see the market then proceeded higher, and that went on to become a turning point here in the market. So that's the idea there on the euro dollar. Let's also look at other trades that we've taken this week as well. That's the one for the live trading room this week. On the Vedanta Elite trading room, we've also banked 2 trades this week. One on the Euro Yen, where we were looking for a long opportunity. That didn't work out for us, and that led to a 1% loss. But of course, the Vedanta Elite team, being the Vedanta Elite team, of course, made up for that. This was the trade long here. We looked to enter the market on the high of this bar, looking for this to become a turning point. You can see that didn't happen. You had an outsider bar the next day. But of course, the elite team, being the elite team, also took another trade this week on the euro dollar short. Again, pure genius. Why? Because we basically looked for this particular PSWB to not be successful and to actually go ahead and fail. And you can see that where we took the trade long, again, if you look at the exact levels the elite team entered, we basically took the high of the market. We entered on the high of this bar here, and then we actually went ahead and took our profit off the table on the low of this bar. In fact, the profit target on this day was clipped by just a pip or so. We took this distance from here to here. Again, you may ask why we took this particular trade short, and again, the answers are all discussed at Traders Basecamp as to the concepts and methodologies of these particular trading opportunities. So really, that's the place to be. 17th and 18th of November. Put it in your diary and make a booking with the team by replying to one of the messages that come out either via email or WhatsApp Messenger. So let's move over to the Eurodollar. We'll go over to, there's the three trades for the week. This Eurodollar banking us actually exactly 81 pips of upside and 2.79% in just 2 days. It's an absolutely genius method of trading, a superb trading strategy, which looks to capture, of course, the prevailing trend. It's very clever in the way that it picks the trades to take, and that is, of course, what's led the elite room to be up 20.05% as of today. And of course, the Vedanta live trading room is up 13.33% for the year so far, giving us a cumulative total of 33.38%. How many people have a return on their investments of that? It's very difficult to do, especially if you're looking at it to create an income, which is exactly what we have done this year here at Master the Market. So if you are looking to create an income, Traders Basecamp, very much the place to be, to learn these methodologies, these strategies, other trading strategies which can get you started here in the financial markets. Remember, Traders Basecamp is a complete beginner course, so even if you have no knowledge of trading whatsoever, there's no need to be worried about that. We start from the core basics, and of course, for those of you that have been trading for a little while, you're going to start to see the excellent sort of methodologies we use at a more advanced level as well, because we do cover some very, very top-end premium material in Traders Basecamp where you wouldn't have seen on any course anywhere out there, especially in the UK industry. So let's go ahead and talk about the importance then of keeping a trade journal. We always keep a trade journal here at Master the Markets of all the trades that we take. And the reason we do that is I've worked with so many clients over the last 10 years in the industry, Thiru as well, over the last 10 years in the industry, with that cumulative trading experience of 20 years trading and training people in this space. We've come across well over 25,000 people, and we can tell you the higher percentage of them do not keep a trade journal because they don't work at a professional level with a professional set of thinking. In fact, just recently with a couple of clients who really demonstrated to me why they should be keeping a journal, but they're not. A lot of them don't even conduct time to take a review of their performance, and some of their performance is actually scary is the word, actually, because they don't look back and review, and that's really bad. You should keep a journal, and you should keep a regular review of where you are with your trading. It's not really possible with just an account statement. It just doesn't log enough information. If you look at the Master the Markets journal here, any of the tabs, be it the lift-off trading strategy, just here you can see it's up 2.36% this year so far, or even the money bars trading strategy up 12.26% this year. You can see that all the information kept is very tidy. We log the currency we're trading, the date we're in and out of the market. The date we're out of the market is very important for us as well, because it helps us to accumulate what happened that particular month. The formulas on the spreadsheet will automatically help to calculate what's happened for you this month if you log the exit date, looking whether we're going long or short, whether it's in trend or counter trend, and other key bits of information, including actual fill, where we got into the market, the stop loss, where we put our protective stop, and finally, of course, the exit price, which then calculates for us automatically what the P&L was. Here you can see on this losing trade we lost minus 0.67% or 40 pips. You can see that was on the Eurodollar on the 5th of September. All of the information is there for us to conduct any kind of analysis, and then if we want to look back at certain trends or things that may be working better, we may find that our counter trend trades work better only when there is a certain criteria in place, or the trend trades work better when there are certain criteria in place. We can filter and check for anything with this information. Journal will also log key statistics for you as well, such as how many trades you've taken, how many are profitable, how many have lost, how much you lost when you lost, how much you won when you won. All of these profitable trading statistics used by top-end professional traders are critical in your analysis, and you really need to know this about your trading strategy. and it's very, very important. So take time out with either your elite coach or someone else to do a trade journal, log all of your trade statistics, and of course we'll give you a template when you do come to Traders Basecamp anyway. So that's pretty much it. And then when the trade journal will accumulate and tell you the total returns for the strategies, here you can see we've logged by system and by cash how we've performed for each individual trading strategy, giving us a cumulative total for the year. And then of course helping us to draw a performance curve. You can see this one for the live trading room, a performance curve for the year. This may look impressive to you, but it is no way near as good as what's been achieved at Vedanta Elite, which is almost double what we have achieved in the live trading room. So congratulations really, especially to the elite team who have been so consistent this year and have really taken home the money in this last couple of months where the market has really moved for us. So it's been an ideal year so far. We're up 33.38% for the year so far. You need to keep a trade journal to log your performance, keep a benchmark of where you feel you should be with your system curve, a benchmark of where you should be with your cash curve, your actual performance. We've spoken about this on previous market updates. So go ahead, take a look, do the learning, do the work, put the effort in, and come along to Traders Basecamp if you're a beginner or even if you're an advanced trader looking to enhance your skills, gain consistency in your trading, consistency in your profitability. That's the place to be. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.